cane toad, Rhinella marina, is an introduced invasive toxic species. Many native Australian fauna have been negatively impacted since its arrival. Hi, I'm Marty Woods, and today I will present a paper studying the impact of the cane toad on one particular species, the freshwater crocodile, Crocodilus johnstonii. Authors of the paper titled Impact of a Toxic Invasive Species on Freshwater Crocodile Populations in Upstream Escarpment studied the impact of the cane toad on crocodile populations in upstream escarpments in the Northern Territory of Australia. Although poorly studied, freshwater crocodile populations in upstream escarpments are smaller than the downstream relatives. This small body size was predicted to make these pygmy or dwarf crocodiles more susceptible to the cane toad toxin. The authors measured the impact of the cane toad on the crocodile by comparing the crocodile population before and after the arrival of the cane toad using population surveys at Buller River and Spirit Hills. 3 separate transect sites were selected during preliminary surveys in 2007 and the first population surveys conducted in 2008 before cane toad arrival and repeated in 2009 after cane toad arrival. Each transect was surveyed twice a day on foot. Any signs of crocodile or toads, including live or dead sightings, tracks and slide marks were recorded. Head-mounted LED spotlights were used during nightfall to detect crocodile eye shine over 100 metre distance. Each eye shine was recorded and classified into a size class. If the eye shine could not be safely measured, it was put into a separate class. The results of the survey show the population of crocodiles has decreased since the arrival of the cane toad. In 2008, there were a total of 28 non-hatchling sighted and no sign of cane toad present. But just a year later, only 10 crocodiles were sighted along with scores of cane toads. This map shows the distribution of the freshwater crocodile, represented by the open circles, detected during spotlight surveys in 2008 and 2009. There is a large decrease in 2009, and there were also dead crocodiles found with cane toad remains in their mouth, indicating this was their cause of death. This table shows the number and size class of crocodiles sighted during the spotlight surveys across the 3 study areas. The most alarming findings were that in Site A, 11 crocodiles were sighted in 2008, but none were sighted in 2009. Also, 16 crocodiles were found across 3 sites in Class 1, 0.2 to 0.6 metres in length, but none were seen in this class in 2009. This data indicates that after the arrival of the cane toad, the freshwater crocodile population was negatively affected, with a dramatic decrease in numbers and the disappearance of a small size class. This study shows the short-term effects of the invasive species, and further studies will need to be done to determine the long-term effects and the necessity to introduce a management program to ensure the survival of the freshwater crocodile populations in upstream escarpments in the Northern Territory. Thanks for listening.